Okay, ladies and gents, I have a Ryobi, one of those electric cordless weed eaters, and I tried Googling to see why the switch, when it just stopped working. Well, mine it just stopped working. So what I did was I took the thing apart. This is how it was. It was, you know how it was all assembled like this. It was all put together like that. At first I thought it was the switch, this thing here, but that's not the problem. The problem was when I continued opening up the case, it was this white had disconnected from this right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this off. I'm gonna put a little connector, little wire nut on there to connect the two, and that should repair it. And I'll give you guys an update, or I'll shoot a second half of this video. Okay? Thanks for watching. Okay, ladies and gents, I want to show you over here. This is my repair. What I did is put some wire nuts. I took the old piece off, cut these off. You can see those kind of done, kind of half done. So I'll put the two new wire nuts on and come back up over here. I got to hook back up like it would be in the actual device, and once you hit the switch, you can see that it works. Okay, so more than likely, if it just stopped working, you may want to open it up. Just take a Phillips head screwdriver. You're gonna need, this is a Phillips head screwdriver to open this up. Take your screws out. It's probably, I don't know, about 20 screws altogether. And take a look inside, and that could be your problem. Okay, so thanks for watching, and hopefully this works out for you. Have a blessed day.